The Airborne School, or Jump School, began in 1940 at Fort Benning, Georgia, after a successful demo jump impressed Army leaders. It became the birthplace of Army paratroopers and still trains troops from all U.S. branches, ROTC, and allies. The 3-week basic airborne course has Ground Week for parachute landing falls and exits, Tower Week for tower jumps, harness drills, and chute control, and Jump Week with 5 jumps from military aircraft, including a night jump.
The Air Assault School trains soldiers for helicopter-based missions. Established in 1974 after lessons from Vietnam, it prepares over 8,000 soldiers annually in sling-load operations, rappelling, and air assaults. Training starts with Day Zero's obstacle course and 2-mile run. Phase 1 covers aircraft safety and combat tactics. Phase 2 teaches sling load procedures, and Phase 3 focuses on rappelling and fast rope techniques. A final 12-mile ruck march tests endurance.
The Armor School trains soldiers, NCOs, warrant officers, and officers in armored warfare and vehicle operations, including the M1 Abrams, Bradley fighting vehicle, and Stryker systems. Established on October 1, 1940 at Fort Knox under Brigadier General Adna R. Chaffee, Jr., it moved in 2010 under Brake. The school offers courses like Armor Basic Officer Leaders Course, Cavalry Leaders Course, Maneuver Leaders Maintenance Course, Scout Leaders Course, Master Gunner programs, and more. Competitions like the Sullivan Cup and Gainey Cup, plus the Excellence in Armor program, build expertise, leadership, and pride within the Armor and Cavalry forces. Ranger School is a 62-day U.S. Army course that trains soldiers in small unit tactics, leadership, and endurance for combat. Created in 1950, it has 3 phases: Darby, basic squad tactics and physical tests; Mountain, patrolling and mountaineering; and Swamp, waterborne operations and platoon missions. Students endure food and sleep deprivation, harsh terrain, and demanding patrol leadership evaluations. Graduation rates are about 40 to 50%. Successful soldiers earn the Black and Gold Ranger tab, symbolizing elite combat skills and exceptional leadership under extreme stress. The Sapper Leader Course is a 28-day program designed to train small unit leaders and combat engineers. Created in the 1980s, it builds advanced combat engineer and infantry tactics, leadership, and teamwork. Graduates earn the Sapper tab. Training includes demolitions, mountaineering, patrolling, air and water operations, and survival skills. The Army Mountain Warfare School trains soldiers for combat in rugged, cold, and high-altitude environments. Established in 1983, it teaches rock climbing, tactical movement, survival, navigation, and medical skills. The school offers summer and winter training, while advanced courses focus on leaving teams on difficult terrain, rough terrain evacuation, mountain planning, and mountain rifleman skills. The U.S. Army Pathfinder course trains soldiers to set up parachute drop zones and helicopter landing zones for airborne and air assault missions. Over 2 weeks, candidates learn navigation, sling load operations, landing zone setup, air traffic control, and different types of drop zones. The Sniper course teaches chosen soldiers how to shoot accurately at long distances and gather battlefield information. They learn fieldcraft skills, advanced camouflage, moving while staying hidden, spotting targets, estimating ranges, using terrain, and preparing battlefield intelligence. The course also covers reporting, sniper tactics, advanced shooting skills, and staff topics like intelligence, missions, combat orders, and training management. The Jumpmaster School trains soldiers to lead and manage airborne operations. Students learn to inspect parachutists, rig and release equipment, give jump commands, and act as jump masters and safeties during day or night combat jumps. They are taught parachute components, drop zone safety, briefings, and sustained airborne training. The Officer Candidate School is a 12-week program preparing future officers for the Army, Army Reserve, and National Guard. Candidates include prior service soldiers, warrant officers, inter-service transfers, and college graduates. OCS builds leadership, soldier skills, and tactical knowledge through intense physical and mental challenges. Training has 3 phases: Basic, Black Ascot; Intermediate,
light blue, and senior, white. National Guard options include accelerated 56-day or traditional 16-month courses.
The John F. Kennedy Special Warfare Center and School, or SWCS, trains and educates soldiers for U.S. Army Special Operations Command and Special Operations Command. It prepares Special Forces, Civil Affairs, and Psychological Operations personnel. SWCS manages recruiting, assessing, selecting, and training, while also developing doctrine, overseeing force development, and supporting soldiers' career progression.
The United States Military Academy, or West Point, is a service academy in West Point, New York, founded in 1802, making it the oldest U.S. service academy. It educates cadets to serve as Army officers. Cadets earn a Bachelor of Science degree through a rigorous academic, military, and athletic program. Admission requires a nomination, usually from Congress. About 1,300 cadets enter yearly, with around 1,000 graduating. West Point influenced engineering education, pioneered class rings, and boasts famous alumni like Ulysses S. Grant, Dwight D. Eisenhower, and 76 Medal of Honor recipients.
The CBRN School at Fort Leonard Wood trains U.S. and Allied forces in chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear defense. Formerly the Chemical School, it moved from Fort McClellan in 1999 and was renamed in 2008. Facilities include the Chemical Defense Training Facility, Edwin R. Bradley Radiological Labs, and First Lieutenant Joseph Terry Responder Facility. The U.S. Army Command and General Staff College, founded in 1881 by William Tecumseh Sherman, has grown from an infantry and cavalry school into a leading center for military education. Its mission is to prepare leaders for complex joint operations and advance military knowledge. CGSC includes the Command and General Staff School, School of Advanced Military Studies, School for Command Preparation, and Sergeant's Major Academy. It offers distance learning, advanced programs like the Advanced Strategic Planning and Policy Program, and master's degrees, such as the Master of Military Art and Science. Army War College prepares senior officers for high-level strategic planning and leadership. Cold Weather Operations Course trains soldiers to survive and fight effectively in extreme cold and Arctic environments. Warrant Officer Career College develops technical experts and leaders in specialized Army fields. Army University, central hub that oversees and integrates the Army's professional military education system. Joint Special Operations University provides advanced education and research for special operations forces across services. U.S. Military Free Fall School trains soldiers in high-altitude, low-opening parachuting techniques. Psychological Operations Course prepares soldiers to influence and shape foreign audiences and behavior. Intelligence Center of Excellence trains soldiers in military intelligence, analysis, and reconnaissance. Reconnaissance and Surveillance Leaders Course develops leaders in advanced reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Prime Power School trains specialists to install and manage critical power generation and distribution systems. SEER, Survival, Evasion, Resistance, and Escape, teaches survival skills, evasion tactics, and resistance to captivity.